Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So, jhumkas are favorite to everyone and everyone literally loves to wear the jhumkas. But in the market we just see these jhumkas with normal stud or the hook and which has like a very normal look. So I decided to have a little different look for the jhumka and decided to make it with the fabric jewelry. And so here we are with a brand new tutorial of this pretty earring that I'm wearing today in my office. And you can see they are very lightweight and very comfortable to wear for the whole day, and they are very easy to make. So I have made this like I have given a little twist to the jhumka and made this type of earrings, which can be easily worn with your kurti or sari or and can be easily worn for the whole day. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and will definitely try to make this earring at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel. It costs you really nothing, but it means a lot to me as it is helping me to grow out my channel on this platform. So do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started.
So first we'll take the MDF. I have taken this pentagon shape and we'll cover it with the fabric. You can take any color fabric. Make sure to have the cotton fabric to have the proper look. I have taken this white one to match with my outfit, and then we are gonna make a flower with the help of this triangular kundan. So first I'll take the fabric glue and we'll put the triangular kundan in this way, and then we'll add the glue to both the sides of this triangular kundan, and then we are gonna stick the kundans like this so that it will form the flower shape. So you can see I have added 3, and in the same way we have to add other 3. Make sure to have the edges to the upper side and the angle to the inside so that we will have this kind of flower. There are so many flowers that we can make with the help of this triangular kundan, so it's up to you like how you want. So in this way we have made our this triangular kundan. I am not leaving any space in between these petals. So now we'll flip this and we're gonna add these eye pins here. So for this now I'm gonna take this glue, Fevibond glue, so that it will get stick properly and very quickly. And also I'm gonna add this earring stud. So I'm gonna add the 5 eye pins, one in the middle and two are both the sides. So I'll add them quickly like this. So I have added this and this is how it look. So first we'll wait for them to get dry and then we'll start with the further work. So now this has been dried up, and now we're gonna add some laurels and these golden leaves in this. So I'm just gonna add in this. We are not using any eye pin, any jump ring to add this. So first we'll add some laurels, pearl laurels, and then we're gonna add uh, this golden leaf, and again we are gonna add these laurels, and after this we'll close the loop. So we have to do it very quickly because there are chances that this might get damaged or this leaf might get broken. So I have added this and I'm carefully shut the loop, and then I'll add them and this 4 eye pins which I have added in the sideways. So I have added it 2, and in the same way we'll add in the other one. So I'll quickly do. So guys, you can see I have added this and this is how it looks. And now in the middle one we are gonna add the jhumka. So I have taken this small size jhumka, and this is like kind of flattened jhumka, not the dome size, but it's up to you like what is your requirement or what is your choice. You can take any size of or design of jhumka. So and after this I'm gonna add the back finishing. So I will add back finishing later on because the whole of the eye pin will go inside the back finishing, because you can see sometimes the hole remains out and it doesn't look good. So I have attached this, and now with the help of Fevibond glue will attach this back finishing fabric, and then I'll quickly cut this one. First we'll press it firmly to make sure that the back finishing fabric has been attached everywhere, and we'll firm it and now afterwards we'll cut it quickly. So guys, I have cutted this and this is how it looks. So with this earrings are ready, tada, and that's all. This happens while making the tutorial. So these are the pretty earrings. So I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, do hit the like button, and do let me know in which color you are gonna make these earrings, and also do let me know how are you gonna use it. Are you gonna sell it, or are you gonna make it for yourself? Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.